Ever been tongue-tied at the grocery store or fumbled for words at the coffee shop? Today, we're diving into the must-know English conversations that make daily life a breeze.
I've definitely felt awkward trying to order breakfast before. We'll walk through practical examples from greetings to asking for help so listeners can feel confident striking up conversations.
Exactly. We'll cover greetings, making small talk, handling common situations like shopping, and even apologizing politely. By the end, you'll have a toolkit ready for real-world English.
And along the way, we'll share tips to sound natural, not textbook stiff. Let's jump in with how to greet someone casually in English.
So, imagine you're meeting someone new at a party. "Hi, how are you?" is such a classic opener. But people often add, "Nice to meet you." It's the polite touch.
When someone says, "How's it going?" responding with, "Pretty good, thanks." And you? Feels so much friendlier than just fine. It opens up the conversation.
True. And don't forget introductions. Saying, "I'm Alex, by the way," helps break the ice. It's amazing how those simple phrases set the tone.
I've noticed people sometimes add a question like, "What brings you here?" That's a smooth way to keep the conversation flowing naturally.
Small talk can feel awkward, but topics like weather or weekend plans are lifesavers. For example, "Beautiful day today, isn't it?" instantly gets people chatting.
I love how asking, "Did you do anything fun over the weekend?" encourages sharing, even if it's just a short story. It gets people involved.
Exactly. And you can respond with a twist. "I finally tried that new bakery downtown." It's personal, but not too much.
That actually reminds me when you're stuck, complimenting something like, "I like your jacket," can open doors. It's simple but effective.
Ordering coffee or shopping can trip people up. A confident, "Can I get a cappuccino, please?" is clear and polite. Adding "please" always helps.
And if you can't find something, asking, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?" is direct but friendly. People appreciate when you're clear.
Sometimes you need help. Saying, "Could you help me pick a gift?" is a great way to start a conversation with staff.
What surprised me most is how a simple "thank you so much" can turn a routine exchange into a positive moment. Courtesy matters.
Accidents happen, so knowing how to apologize is key. "Sorry about that," or "I didn't mean to bump you," feels genuine and puts people at ease.
And expressing gratitude goes beyond thanks. Saying, "I really appreciate your help," adds warmth. It's those extra words that make a difference.
Sometimes, you might need to follow up with, "Let me know if there's anything I can do." That's a thoughtful touch.
On the flip side, accepting thanks is easy. "You're welcome," or "anytime," keeps things friendly and open.
Let's wrap up. First, greetings set the stage. Learning to introduce yourself smoothly matters. Second, small talk builds connections, even with strangers.
Third, handling situations like shopping or apologizing with clear, polite phrases gives you confidence. Those basics work everywhere.
And here's your action step. Start practicing these conversations out loud, even just in front of a mirror. The more you say them, the more natural they'll feel.
Thanks for joining us. Keep listening for more real-life English tips. And remember, every conversation is a chance to get better.